You clicked on this video because you want to know how you can master the skill of copywriting without having to spend a bunch of money on some courses, for trainings, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. And not only am I going to give you the best methods for mastering the skill of copywriting, but if you stick around until the end, I'll also give you access to my 20-hour mega library of content that shows you the best trainings, methods, everything that you really need to know to master the skill of copywriting 100% free. So make sure you stick around to get access to that. So the first free strategy that you can use to start mastering the skill of copywriting is to really pay attention to all of the copy around you. See, there's some sort or form of sales copy pretty much every single place that you go. In fact, you probably see some sort of copy pretty much every couple of minutes. That's why a really great way to actually build your skills is to break down and notice exactly what makes that copy so effective. For example, every time you click on a YouTube video, understand that something made you intrigued enough, something piqued your interest enough for you to click on that one specific video. And yes, YouTube videos are basically a form of copy themselves. And the same goes for things like marketing emails. Think about what makes the subject line so intriguing and why did it make you open? When you start noticing and really developing the perspicacity to break down these pieces of copy as you notice them, it will give you a lot more insight into what actually works and what might not work so well. So make sure you check out your YouTube history and your email inbox for some inspiration. And yes, guys, YouTube videos are basically a form of spoken copy. If you really think about it, they hook you in with the intro, and then of course they want to keep you around and give you value all the way through so that you stick around. Understand how they actually are able to achieve that and use it to your advantage in your copywriting. The second completely 100% free way to master the skill of copywriting is to, of course, practice copy, but also go ahead and get it reviewed by other professional copywriters. So the truth is that practice without guidance will really only get you mediocre results at best. For example, imagine trying to perfect your shooting form, but you don't have a basketball coach to be there to actually give you any feedback on whether your form looks good or not. Needless to say, practicing without feedback is a very, very inefficient way to master any skill. So instead, what you should do is find people who have been writing copy for longer than you and get your copy reviewed by them, because they'll easily be able to point out any mistakes or give you any tips that will help you improve your copy skill. Now, of course, you may not actually know any copywriters off of the top of your head that can review your copy, so allow me to introduce you to around 5,000 of them. You see, in the free 4D Discord server linked below, you can go under the copy submissions tab and submit your copy for review and also review other people's copy. So not only are you going to build the skill of copywriting by getting feedback on your writing, but you're also going to have the chance to critique other people's writing and really help them as well. So remember, guys, if you want to join for free, all you got to do is go down and click the link in the description. Now, the third way to master the skill of copywriting for free is to actually get clients before you're ready. And not only is this method free, but you can actually get paid to master the skill of copywriting. So hear me out for a second. Say you're trying to learn a new language, like French, for example. Would it be more efficient to sit there, maybe read and study French for an hour or two a day? Or would it be more efficient for you to fly all the way out to France and be fully submerged in the language? Who do you think would learn French faster? Well, obviously the person who goes and fully submerges themselves, and you can just imagine how much faster you could master the skill of copywriting if you just submerged yourself in it. And a great way to do that is to get copywriting clients and start writing for them. And look, getting copywriting clients does not have to be difficult at all. I have a free resource linked down in the description that will show you the best methods for getting copywriting clients as soon as possible. Again, if you want to get access to that 100% free, the link is in the description. Now, the fourth way to master copywriting 100% free is to develop what I like to call your inner mentor. Basically, what this means is that when you start binge watching and consuming so much copywriting content, eventually what you hear will stick with you. And when you're going to write your copy, you'll know exactly how to write it better, and you'll be almost like critiquing it as you go. So basically, to develop your inner mentor, you're gonna wanna consume tons and tons of copywriting content. And after you've done that, the lessons will only then really start to stick with you. And by the time you're actually ready to start writing copy, you'll be able to easily recall all the information that you've taken in because you've listened to it over and over again. Needless to say, this is one of the best things that new and beginner copywriters can do to really up their skill in a short amount of time. And I know that it's something that really helped me when I was first starting out as a copywriter as well. Now look, if you're looking for more copywriting content to consume, like I said, I have a whole mega library of content that you can access for 100% free. Now, not only do I have a free copywriting YouTube course clocking in at over 2.5 hours, but I also have dozens and dozens of hours of content between my YouTube channel and the resources section in the 4D Discord server. So guys, make sure you consume as much as you can, take notes, and really absorb the knowledge. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.